Do you want to be able to produce amazingly helpful and insightful charts in Trello just like this? If you do, then stick around. I'm going to show you exactly the power up that you need to do this. And even better, I've got a special guest to run you through it who is an expert in reporting on Trello. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be tackling Trello Reporting. Now, this is something that a lot of people would like a bit more of from Trello, and Trello have started to do a bit of it. They have released Trello Dashboards recently. I have a video about that already, so if you want to check that out, hit the card above and the link in the description below. But it's fairly basic. It's great for some things, but if you want to go to that next level and do a little bit more advanced reporting and get those deeper insights, then I'd recommend looking elsewhere to another tool. And today I'm going to be inviting Robin, who is from Cherrywood Software, who develop a power-up called Blue Cat Reports, to explain to us how we can do exactly that, how we can get more insights out of Trello using their power-up. And rather than me show you around, I thought I'd let the expert do it. Robin has a long history in reporting and has applied his skills and knowledge to the Trello space. So yeah, we're all going to benefit from this, and I'm personally looking forward to it too. I'm sure I'm going to learn a lot. So let's get straight to it. Let's pass things over to Robin and hear more about Blue Cat Reports.
Welcome to this really quick demo of Blue Cat Reports, which is a easy to use but actually quite powerful reporting tool for Trello teams. There's options to create all sorts of reports for different types of teams here. I'll sort of show you a couple. We got a very quick report here for a sales team showing win and loss, and funnel by stage and lead score. Project management teams, IT Helpdesk, I'll show you. So number of different charts they've added to this one. There's cards past their SLA here, so the team would probably want to dig straight into that and go and talk to whoever they need to talk to get those cards action today. The two reports we're really going to look at today are these two, the sort of content team reports. I'll just quickly show you the board that we're working from that. So this is an imaginary content marketing agency. So they've got their ideas on the left approved, first draft, second draft, all the way through to completed. Each of these has got a load of custom fields on the back, so client, what type of content it is, this kind of thing. So we come back in here. I just want to quickly show you what a blank report looks like. So I'll just create a blank report. So this is what you get when you first create a report. There's nothing in there. So all of the reports we're seeing here are built by someone coming in and saying, okay, well, this is exactly the data that I want, exactly the charts I want. So if you look at the monthly analytics, charts we've added here is a time to complete chart, so we can see how long work takes to complete, how much work has been completed by client or by member, how much work has been completed over time. You could add additional charts in here for each client, maybe to show how much work there is over time. Are we sort of trending towards not having enough work in the backlog for one of them? You can drill into these and you can go and filter them as well. So I could completed by client, I could say, oh yeah, but how much has Robin done? So this is just another way you can kind of interrogate the data. You can get exports of this data as well here, sort of to Excel or to print. You can export the whole report, print it or share it, and you can also schedule an email. I mean, this one you would maybe email every month to the management team or something, but the daily sync, this would be classic one. You would come in here, you'd schedule this, and you'd get an email every Monday to Friday, or depending on what your working days are, so that the whole team just gets this in their inbox at 8 AM and then they can know what they need to do for the day. So the team on this one is coming in, they've added some charts, some big counts at the top. So this is useful in coming and say, oh, there's two awaiting editor sign off. Let's click in, find out what they are, and let's go and get the editor to sign them off. They could come down here and see how much they've got in progress by client. Maybe they need to sort of add some more in progress for this one client. What I would like to show you next though is just how we actually create these charts. If I click the edit button up here and come down, you can drag and move these around. So maybe they assign actually the most important to the ones that are waiting designer sign off and waiting editor sign off. So they drag those two over there, so they're first numbers anyone sees. And then this in progress member, actually we don't really like this as a bar. We want to change it to a pie chart. So I'm just going to delete that. I'll click on add chart. You can see all the different chart types we can add in here. So I'm actually going to select a pie chart. We're going to make it half the width. We want to show open cards on the board. We want to pick just this one board, but we could pick as many as we wanted in here. We're going to break the data down by member, so that's how we're going to group the data. We just want to count the number of cards, but you can also count the values from a numeric custom field. So we could show the estimated hours on that if we wanted. So we're just counting the cards, we're going to go and actually add a filter here as well. So there's filters for pretty much everything you could think of. We just want to show it in progress lists in this case because it's just in progress cards. So these 3 are our sort of working lists. So I'll call it, there we go. Click done up here to get out of edit mode. And there's our chart created. So super simple to go through and create those charts, but as you can see, a lot of power there in the options that you can select. The final thing to just show you quickly is a quick list, which is sort of like Trello's team table. There's options here to show cards or checklist items. You can select any boards you want. We'll just select the content board to keep it simple here. So that's immediately showing every card on the table. We might just come in and say edit the sign off is unchecked, and we might just want things in those in progress lists again. So first, second, and images and social. If I click save on that. And again, we could organize an email, so this could be sent to the editor every morning, just saying these are the ones that we're waiting on sign off for. You can change the view here, put in the different fields that you want or don't want, and get an export as well if you want to sort of print it or export that to Excel. So that's it. Very quick demo. Thanks for your time.
Amazing. Thanks, Robin. Yeah, really helpful to see how you can use Blue Cat. I'm personally really looking forward to using it some more to understand my Trello boards even more. And if you guys want to give it a try, then make sure you click the link in the description below. That will take you straight through to the Power Up directory, and you can give it a try from there. And if you have questions, just drop them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. As just a final option, if you also want to do reporting but you much prefer doing it in, say, Excel, make sure you check out this video next, because that's going to show you how to do it with Board Export, which is another power-up. It's one created by Orah apps, so that's us, and it'll help you just get that data out of Excel, that Trello data, and then you can build any kind of reports or tables or whatever you would normally do in Excel. You can do it now with your Trello data. So yeah, give that a look and see what you think. And finally, if you enjoyed this video, do please hit that like button. It does make a big difference to us. And if you want more videos just like this, then make sure you hit subscribe as well. So thanks for watching, and I hope we'll see you next time.